Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, if you've ever watched any of my videos for any period of time, I truly appreciate you doing so, right? You watching my videos, subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing, that truly helps me out as a channel to grow and, to bring more content to you guys here out on YouTube. Now, we just passed 27,000 subscribers, which is amazing just because I just started the channel 2 years ago, moving right along, great growth. And, I'm happy to help support the N54 BMW E90 in general community with the videos that I produce. So starting this channel 2 years ago, there was not really any N54 videos out there very specific to this model year. So I found that outlet and I'm like, you know what? Hey, I'm already doing DIYs on this. Unfortunately, I did the water pump change. I did the oil cooler and oil filter housing gasket changes. Those are my two biggest ones that I did right before starting this channel. No video footage whatsoever because I had no idea what I was going to do. I wasn't even thinking about doing the YouTube channel to film anything, to provide any DIYs. And I was doing the DIYs just like I was doing as I am today. Since I did those probably about 3-4 years ago now, you never know, they may be coming up and then I'd be able to do the DIY officially and film that. But if you guys have any questions about both of those DIYs, please let me know. I do receive a lot of messages on Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube, of course, right? Comments and then YouTube messages, just stating that how much money I've helped save them with my DIYs or insight videos. That truly makes me happy because I'm actually helping you guys save money, right? That's the whole point of a DIY, and it's on YouTube, so it's free for you guys to watch. That brings the biggest enjoyment to me. And, that's the biggest thing that us YouTubers probably like the most, is that when we're helping someone out, because that's the whole point of these videos, right? The whole point of to share what goes on with BMWs, maintenance, ownership costs, DIYs. It's there to help someone else, because we have thousands and thousands of people watching the videos. It's going to help someone, as we hope, and we are happy, and I'm happy that it does help. So I have a lot of cool DIYs coming this way. Fortunately, this weather is just terrible around here. Right, we'll have like one great day, but I'm busy with my normal day job, and then it's gonna rain, and then it's gonna snow possibly tomorrow. Not very much, but still, it's just this crazy weather where it's like 80 degrees, and then 60 degrees, and then 50 degrees, and 40 degrees. It's just all over the place. So I'm looking forward to being in my new house. I give you guys a sneak peek of that if you want to check out that video up at the top. Pretty cool, so that way you guys can see as far as what's next for me. Looking forward to physically parking this car in a garage that I have there, and doing all the mini DIY videos to come for this channel. So that's gonna be cool. I'd like to do a meetup as well, trying to organize that. I think that'd be pretty awesome. Footwell module DIY, cleaning the engine bay. I'm gonna do two parts of that, as far as removing the heat shield on the turbo side so I can clean out that tray. Since a lot of residual oil was in there from doing the valve cover gasket, DIY for that. So if you've never seen the valve cover gasket DIY on the BMW N54, you check out that video at the top. Great DIY, going some really great points on that piece. Brake fluids coming, and then a lot of other sweet videos that are going to be spinning off that. Some cool products, product giveaway. Those things are coming. So a bunch of cool different things to come to the channel. And yet again, guys, thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking the videos, watching them throughout the whole entire video. Helps me out. And then hats off to 27,000 subscribers, looking towards 50 and then 100,000, and we'll keep on going. Thanks for joining the ride. So please be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment below. Take care.